Hey guys, I've got a BMW E83 X3 diesel, right? And the other day it just stopped. All of a sudden, the car stopped the crank. I got the reds and everything, right? But it stopped the crank. Anyways, I noticed this wire here dangling, but I don't know where it's from. It does look like a starter motor wire, but I've got a brand new starter motor. I know how hard it would be to take this starter motor out. And yeah, if anyone can have some input, like if you look here, let's have a look at that closely. Pretty sure everything's intact, so I'm not quite sure where this little fella came from, but I would say this being disconnected would stop the car from starting. It's a little bit oily under here. Let's have a look. Not sure where it's coming from.